Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure the bell notification is lit. Today, we're going to talk about the good boy Myro, give everybody an update of where we're at, do some price predictions, some technical analysis at the end of the video, but just get everybody up to date. But I love this picture right here, and we're going to jump right into the video, everybody. We're not going to waste any time, but this right here, planting seeds, everybody. But you got to do more than just plant your seeds, right? You got to water these seeds, everybody. And that's what we got to do with the good boy Myro right now. We got to go the extra mile. Let's get this video to over 100 likes if possible. Also join in at the Moneybags Mansion where I called Myro a long time ago, and I'm still calling Myro as a play right now. And if you felt like you ever missed out on Myro, this is a good representation where we're at right now. If you ever felt like we missed out on the good boy Myro, you already know that you're getting that same opportunity right now once again. It's crazy because I have something very similar to this that I want to see the good boy Myro take off. We're actually kind of in that zone for something like this to actually happen, but we got to go through the motions. I actually like this one. We're going to repost this one's actually on the money pretty much. This is what it's looking like, everybody. I like this one, the money bags being filled up. I like that, we're still posting. We're getting ready for takeoff. Getting ready for takeoff is very important, everybody. How do we get ready for takeoff? Planting our seeds, right? DCA into your favorite plays, into your high conviction plays, and then water these seeds. What do I mean by watering these seeds? Like, make sure that you're pulling up to all the raids. Make sure you're shilling. Make sure that you're pulling up to all the videos. Make sure that you're going through all the motions to make the good boy Myro that dog that everybody should know, right? Go to not just my YouTube channel, but go to many YouTube channels. Anybody talking about the good boy Myro, spread the good word about the good boy Myro. We know that the markets have pulled back, so everybody else, everybody else's chart also did pull back, but we are positioned very, very well with good amount of exposure. We're on BitGet, Binance Futures, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Polynex, HTX, Mexi, BingX. I mean, you Bybit. I mean, we're on many exchanges, of course. Bitmart as well, Gate.io, and we're set up to win already. When retail comes in, we know that the markets are going to pump, and anybody who has a solid community, solid vision, they're going to win, everybody. And we're seeing the rest of the markets pull back. This is not something that's going on specifically only to the good boy Myro. This is going on across the board. This is not just anybody against you. This is the whole crypto market is in the red. You can see that. It doesn't matter if you're a meme coin, a utility coin, whatever you got going on right now, there is some pullback, some consolidation, and we can see that by the overall crypto market cap, which we talk about every day in the morning show. Make sure that you guys tap in every single morning for the morning show. You got the bell notification lit where I'm constantly keeping you guys updated. We're keeping our fingers on the pulse of cryptocurrency to make sure that we remind ourselves and we understand that we're in the best opportunity in cryptocurrency right now. We're on the left side of the chart, everybody. We still got so much time to go. We just got to be dialed in. So I'm asking you right now, and let me know down in the chat, are you dialed in? Because all the metrics, all the data, although sometimes the news can be a little bit FUD, right? There could be some FUD in the news. Overall, the data and where we're at in time is lined up for us to win. And I believe projects like the good boy Myro are, set up for success. The overall crypto market pulled back. We knew that there was going to be some pullback because on the daily chart with Bitcoin, we saw it pulling back already because it was overbought, and we knew that it was going to come back. And what happens is everything pulls back when Bitcoin pulls back. So Bitcoin kind of determines the tides and how things are going to move everybody. So when we see Bitcoin pump right back up again, we're going to see some decent price action. That's where we should take advantage of what we got going on. Also, if you guys would like to take advantage of some of the bonuses that we got going on, take advantage, use my referral code for BYD5. People are signing up. The Money Bags Mansion is free. I'm giving plays away so like that we can win. Print on BYD5. Use all the free money they give you, and like that we can put it into our favorite plays, our Myro and whatnot like that, everybody. So looking at the good boy Myro's chart, let me close this, get this out the way. Obviously, my chart got a little bit more action, but this is that same path that I'm talking about, breaking out of this trend line right here. Let me draw it for you guys to see. See this right here? This trend right here, we're set up to break out of this overall trend that we kept hitting like this. And got to give him a shout out, the one who called that. Who was that? Let's see that again. Actually, I got to give it to them. They're on point with that. Let me scroll down and actually give them their flowers in the space. This chart right here is on the money. So Swiss Trader, let's give him a follow as well. Swiss Trader is on the money right now with this one. Have to give him a retweet. It's just on fire and it's looking really, really good. Same areas where we had prior resistance. You see this area right here? This is exactly where we're going to be looking at later on this is that target right here. You guys can see that I got the line drawn up to right there, possibly breaking back down to go back up, because excuse me, if it breaks past this right here, we have to say, hey, a prior resistance is future support, and then we'll have that continuation. We have some stops along the way, and you guys can see that happening. But nonetheless, you know, I mean, he's on the money with, you know, having a little breakout, a little bit of consolidation, getting everybody warmed up to the idea of breaking out this overall trend line, even the smaller trend right here that's a little bit like, let's break out of that. And we can have that continuation to come to this upside, the same area there that we got this drawn up to, right around $300 million market cap, everybody. So, you know, right now, Myro's sitting at a $65 million market cap with an amazing community, well-polished meme coin, ciphers coming out in the future. What more can you ask for? I think Myro's definitely dialed in. Got to get the community all the way dialed in and start pumping to make this happen right here. This is our target to break out of this trend. If we build it, they will come, everybody. So let's go ahead and go through the motions right now that we got Bitcoin about to turn around. On the daily charts, oversold. So it's going to be real easy to build some momentum and kind of, you know, build some speculation. The markets are speculative, everybody. And as the markets turn around with Bitcoin, so does, you know, whatever favorite project you got. As the community gets on board with that mission, you'll be surprised how far we can move things up, because the overall sentiment is going to be bullish. Remember, the trend is your friend, not just on the charts, but also the overall sentiment of what's going on. Remember, when the markets are greedy, be fearful. When the markets are fearful, be greedy. This is the time, not financial advice, that you will start to DCA on your favorite plays, because now that Bitcoin's oversold, most likely everything else is extremely oversold as well. You can activate, start to DCA, and enter a really nice position that has more upside potential than any downside potential, okay? Make sure you guys tap in with me, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.